Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now guys, I am bringing you this rather mundane story for no other reason other than to highlight a point, and that point is, in the Malam Buhari regime, if your name is not Danladi or Mukhtar or Abubakar, then you need not come anywhere near, never mind applying for anything, because if you come anywhere near the vicinity, then you will be dealt with. So I bring you this. NYSC gets new Director General as Ibrahim replaces Kazwari. So Ibrahim replaces Kazwari. The Nigerian Army has named Brigadier General S. Ibrahim from Nigerian Army University BU as the Director General of the National Youth Service Corps NYSC in a new posting released on Friday. A statement releasing the redeployment and signed by Colonel Sagia Musa, so note that name as well. The Army spokesman said Ibrahim takes over from Major General S.Z. Kazwari. Musa said Kazwari has been deployed to the Nigerian Army Resource Center as senior resource person. Under the posting, Brigadier General C.A. Bosman from Nigerian Army Archives was moved to Command School Services as Director, Command School Services, while Brigadier General E. Egunye is appointed Acting Director Veteran Affairs Department of the Army. Musa said Brigadier General B.A. this TSOHO, that's the name, from Army Headquarters Department of Civil Army Affairs has been moved to Nigerian Army Language Institute as Commandant. Others are Brigadier General A.A. Goni, Goni, from 82nd Division Education to Army Headquarters Department of Civil Military Affairs as Director Information, and Brigadier General F.C. Inyeri from Headquarters Nigerian Army Supply and Transport to Defense Headquarters as Acting Director Catering. So the Igbo man has been put in charge of catering. Musa said Brigadier General S.S. Ibrahim is now Registrar Nigerian Army University BU, adding that the postings were with immediate effect. So you can look at the list of the names and you can have your own reading into it, but you already know what my own reading of this story is. As I said, in effect, in the Buhari regime, in the Nigerian Republic of Buhari, the North and the Southern Protectorate, we the Southerners are colonies. If your name is not Ibrahim or Danladi or Abubakar or any of such sounding names, then you need not come anywhere near the vicinity, because your presence is not required. So what do you make of this? Am I reading too much into this? What is your thinking? Conversations in the comment section as usual, and as usual, before you come have that chat with me, click on that red subscribe button so it goes grey, because I need your subscription just to show me that you approve of the sort of contents I'm putting out, and then click on that bell notification as well, so that you are made aware every time I do put out a video. So once you've done both, come let's have a chat about this, the Republic of Buhari and the Fulani Protectorates of the Southern Nigeria. That is the topic of the conversation. So let's have a chat about this in the comment section. So I'll leave you here, meet you in the comment section, but here I say peace.